Hi everybody and happy Tuesday. For today's lesson we are going to practice counting some objects. We're going to practice our colors again and we're going to review a few 3D shapes. After that we're going to practice with subtraction. Just like we did with addition, we're going to practice subtraction 3 different ways. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so now we're going to do some practice counting objects and writing numbers. So we're going to count how many objects we see on the page, and then we're going to write the number to match how many objects there are. We'll start with our red circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 red circles. Can everybody say that? 10 red circles. So I'll write the number 10. 1, 0, 10. And make sure you count along with me. Now, let's count these purple lines. What color? Purple. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many purple lines are there? Good. There's 15 purple lines. Can everybody say that? 15 purple lines. So I'll write the number 15. We have a 1 and we have a 5. 15 purple lines. What color are the stars on this page? That's right, they're green. So let's count our green stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 green stars. How many green stars? 4 green stars. So I'll write the number 4. What do we have a picture of on this page? Dogs. We have a bunch of dogs on this page. And what color are they? They're black. Let's count how many black dogs we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many dogs? 18. We have 18 black dogs. A 1 and an 8. 18. What color are these smiley faces? That's right, they're yellow. And what shape are they? They're circles. So let's count our yellow smiley faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 yellow smiley faces. How many? 8. And last but not least, what color are these? They're blue. And what shape is it? It's a square. Does anyone know how many sides a square has? If you know how many sides a square has, say it out loud. 4 sides. That's right, a square has 4 sides. Let's count how many squares are on our page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blue squares. Great job, everybody. That's all the counting and number practice we have for today. We're going to practice colors and the names of 3D shapes. So we're going to look at a few different shapes. We are going to figure out what color the shape is, and then we're going to figure out what the name of the 3D shape is, and we'll write the answers in the box. So first, what color is this shape right here? It is red. R-E-D. And what is the name of this 3D shape? It's called a cube. C-U-B-E. And it has flat sides. It's a red cube. Repeat after me. Red cube. On to the next one. What color is this shape? What color are the lines on this shape? I would say that they look blue to me. So we'll write blue. And what shape is this? It's 3D. It's not a circle. It's a 3D shape. And it's called a sphere. Can everybody say that? Sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E. A blue sphere. And it's all curved. There are no flat sides. What color is this shape? Good, it's green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. And what is the name of this shape? It has no curved sides, just flat sides. It's called a pyramid. P-Y-R-A-M-I-D. A green pyramid. Great. Now what color is this shape? It's yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. And what is its shape? What's the name of it? It's a cone. C-O-N-E. It's a yellow cone. You can imagine if you flipped it over, you could put ice cream on top. And last but not least, what color is this shape? It's purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. And what is the name of this shape? It's kind of shaped like a can. It has 2 flat sides and 1 big curved side. It is a cylinder. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. A cylinder. Great job practicing your 3D shapes. So for today's main lesson, we're going to work on subtraction. And we're going to look at subtraction 3 different ways. We're going to draw objects, we're going to use a 10 frame, and we're going to use a number line. So let's get started. Here we have our first problem. It says 3 minus 2 equals. So for subtraction, I'm going to go to my first number and I'm going to draw that many objects. So I'm going to use circles today. I'll start by drawing 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Great. Now I look at our second number. It says 3 minus 2. That means we're getting rid of 2. So I'm going to go and I'm going to cross out 2 of our circles because it's 3 minus 2. So I'm going to cross out 1, 2. And now for our answer, we count how many circles we have left. 1. We have 1 circle left. So that's our answer. Great. Our next problem here says 5 minus 1 equals what? So we start by going to our first number, 5, and we're going to draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 1. That means we are getting rid of 1. So we'll go over and we'll cross out 1 circle. Now for our answer equals what? We're going to count how many circles are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 circles left. We'll do this with one more question. Here we have 6 minus 3 equals what? So we start by drawing how many circles? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 3. So how many circles do we need to cross out? How many circles do we need to get rid of? 3. So we'll cross out 1, 2, 3. Now for our answer equals what? We count how many circles are left. 1, 2, 3. So our answer is 3. 6 minus 3 equals 3. Great. Now we'll do this using a tens frame. I'll show you how we do it on this one. Our question is 4 minus 2 equals. So we do the same thing here. We start with our first number, 4, and we are going to fill in 4 boxes of the tens frame. So I'm just going to draw circles. You could also just color in the whole box. You could draw any shape you want, but I'm just going to fill in 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Minus 2. So we are going to get rid of 2 of our circles. So we're going to cross out 2. 1, 2. Now we're going to count how many circles are left. 1, 2. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Let's do our next problem. 3 minus 1 equals. We go to our first number, 3, and we draw 3 circles where we fill in 3 boxes of our tens frame. 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 1 means we need to cross out 1, equals, and let's count how many are left. 1, 2, equals 2. Awesome. We'll do one more problem like this. 7 minus 2 equals what? So we go to our first number, 7, and we're going to put how many in our tens frame? 7, exactly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. Minus 2. How many do we need to get rid of? How many do we need to cross out? 2. So we'll cross out 1, 2. What do we do now to find the answer? We count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 left. So 7 minus 2 equals 5. Awesome work, everybody. Now we're going to practice one more way to do subtraction using our number line. This number line goes from 0 to 10, and we're going to use it to help us solve these subtraction problems. So let's read the problem. 3 minus 1 equals what? So we started our first number, 3, and we find it on the number line. It's right here. I'm going to circle it. 3 minus 1. So now we need to jump back 1 space. 3 minus 1. I'm going to count my jumps. 1. And now we're at our answer. What number is this? 2. That's our answer. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Let's go to our next problem. 5 minus 2 equals what? So remember, we go to our first number, 5, and we find it on our number line. Here it is. I'm going to circle it so I remember where it is. 5 minus 2. Minus 2. So I need to jump back 2. Remember, we're not adding, so we're not going right. We're subtracting. We go left when we subtract on our number line to the smaller numbers. So I need to jump back 2. 1, 2. And here's our answer, 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. And we'll do one last problem for practice. 9 minus 4 equals what? So what do we need to do? We find our first number in the problem, and then what do we do on our number line? We find the number 9 on our number line. Here it is. Now we go back to our problem. 9 minus 4, 4. What does this 4 tell us? It tells us we're losing 4. So we need to jump back 4 spaces on our number line. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here is our answer, 5. 9 minus 4 equals 5. Great work practicing your subtraction today. I hope that everybody enjoyed today's lesson, especially all of the learning we did about subtraction. After this lesson, please go ahead and watch the subtraction videos I have. Also complete the subtraction worksheets. We're going to keep practicing with addition and subtraction the rest of this week. Everybody have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!